talking about how to stop being depressed. Hold up. So we are going to be, I don't know. How to avoid being depressed, okay? First thing you're gonna do is you need to realize what is bothering you. Like, write down what is bothering you. If maybe not having enough money, not having enough friends, going through a breakup, you know, not having a job, like not feeling secure in your body, you need to realize what is the real issue. It's very important. Because if you're depressed because you feel like, oh, I don't have enough friends, or I broke up with my man, start loving yourself, okay? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, loving yourself can avoid so much mental illness. It can avoid anxiety sometimes, it can avoid overthinking, it can avoid depression. So love yourself first. Whatever you're going through, you gotta realize that what you're going through right now is not gonna be permanent, okay? It's only temporary. So love yourself first, okay? That's very important. You have to make sure that your environment is clean. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. A few weeks ago, my room was just like a mess. Like, I had too much clothes. I feel lost. I feel like my life wasn't together. Like, everything was just like disorganized, okay? And I was only going to work, taking a shower, be depressed. But you really have to clean your environment almost every week or every day, so that way your mind is clean. Because if you're in a place where it's a mess, your mind is gonna be very confusing, okay? And that happens to me. To be honest, that happens to me. Like, whenever my room is a mess, I'm like, oh my gosh, my life is falling apart. You know, crack it. I'm like, oh my gosh, my life is falling apart. Everything is a mess, to be honest, a hot mess. So, one, love yourself. Two, clean your environment. Like, take a day to actually clean your house, your room, you know, organize your stuff. Like, I'm telling you guys, it helps a lot, okay? Another stuff that I feel like can avoid also being depressed, I really feel like, is when you drinking and smoke, sometimes can make you depressed. I'm not gonna lie, because sometimes a lot of you guys are really drinking or smoking because you're going through something, right? So you basically want to get out of whatever you're going through, so you will smoke or you will drink. But when you start getting sober and your mind starts to like actually react to what's going on in your life, it makes it worse. I don't know about you, but when I drink a lot, the next day I am depressed, I have anxiety, I'm overthinking, like everything is a mess in my life. Like, the next day I'd be sick for 3 days. I don't know about you guys, but I do feel like smoking a lot can also make you depressed too, because you're never sober. Like, you are never yourself. Like, you're literally just, you know, taking something so that way you don't feel the pain. But you have to feel the pain. For you to move on in life, you have to feel the pain. So that's that. I also feel like comparing yourself to others can make you depressed and being jealous. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I see why a lot of you guys are depressed, okay? Because yeah, I love to compare your life. Oh, this person have this person have that, this person this person that. Worry about yourself. Okay? Worry about yourself, always wondering what people got, you're gonna feel like you don't have nothing. You're gonna feel like you don't have nothing in your life. So, and stop being jealous, because everybody's gonna get their turn in life to shine. Like, stop being jealous. Another way that you can really also avoid being depressed, to be honest, just block and unfollow people. I don't know. Block and unfollow everybody. That helps me, okay? Whenever I'm going through a breakup with either a friend, a family member, or an ex, I block them and I unfollow them, and I never look back. I never look back. I never go back to their page and lurk and see what they're doing. No, because I don't care. I don't care, to be honest. So stop going on people's social media that you don't fuck with anymore and seeing what they're doing in their life. Like, stop. Be obsessed with yourself. Center yourself. Like, it helps. Okay? I feel like this is not done. They got me here eating raw chicken. Like, I'm gonna tell my boyfriend to complain. Okay, this is not done. A chicken should not be medium rare. Okay? Honestly too, I know y'all be saying money don't buy happiness, but money can buy happiness, because sometimes you're depressed because you don't have no money. Let's be for real. Money buy happiness. You give me money, I will be happy. I will be happy in Dubai. I don't care what I eat for a guy in my life. You give me money, I will be happy. Okay? The reason why you're depressed is because you don't have money to solve half of your issues, half your financial debts, half of your financial issues. If you get money, you can travel, you can pay your credit cards, you can buy a house. So work on that. Okay? I know you're depressed right now, but you need money. You shouldn't be having time to be depressed because you need money. Okay? Be depressed for like 2 minutes, and then later on go back to normal because you need money. Okay? Find out what other side hustle that you can have to help you make money. Really, find out what other side hustle that you can have that can help you make money. On top of that, I really also feel like you're depressed because maybe you don't like your job. Have you thought of that? Like, some jobs can make you depressed. I won't even lie to you. Like, seeing people that you don't like every single day, doing stuff that you don't like every single day for 12 hours or something like that is tiring. So therefore, look for a job that you're gonna be happy with. Okay? One thing I'm gonna tell you is that you will always be happy working in a field that has to do with your dream. Example, if you want to be an artist, right? Okay, if you want to be a influencer and you don't have, you don't have the followers yet, you don't have the skills yet, go work at Sephora, go work at Huda, go work at things that are related to what you want to be. Okay, like that will help you because you're working, but then you're also learning to prepare for your future. Again, you're depressed because of your job. Like, I know this might sound hard. Even if it has to take you a year for you to find a job, do that. Do that. I'm telling you. Yeah. Do that, guys. Do that. Cause me, I be depressed here and there. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I be depressed. I do be depressed. I'm not gonna lie over here. I ain't perfect. But when I'm depressed, I tell myself, okay, like, how can I drink for this month? I tell myself, okay, like, I have to fix something. Like, I have to apply for a job. I have to be consistent on the things that I want. Like, you have to realize why you're depressed. You have to go back into your childhood and realize what broke you as a kid that made you be depressed for years. And listen, I'm gonna lie to you guys. Being happy, being happy all the time, it ain't easy either. You know, like, life is not perfect. Life is not perfect, guys, but I feel like you can try. I'm talking like Trump right now. I feel like you can try to avoid issues in your life. Okay? And guys, that's it for today's video. I don't know, guys, because this chicken is red. Do you guys think I should report it or no? Because it's red. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna come back to another video. And yes, guys,